Today I'm going to be replacing windshield wipers on a 2023 Ford Maverick. So this is a key fob ignition. I don't have a physical key. Normally with service mode, you would turn it on, turn it off, and then press and hold down. But Ford Mavericks do not have that option. So what we're going to do instead, we're going to turn it on. And we're going to run the windshield wiper when it is at the top of the stroke. Then we will turn it off. So these are windshield wipers I'm using. They're BOSCH icons. This is the only style that I ever use because it's the only style that ever really lasts in the desert heat. I got a 22-inch blade and a 21-inch blade, but this is not the A version. This is the OE version. The reason that's important because this does not have a J clip, which is what most vehicles use. They decided to go with a pinch clip. So because this is fully extended, we can now pull it back. If we didn't, then it would hit the hood right here. There's a little button right here. All I gotta do is press that in, and it should slide right out. Now there is always the danger that this thing could come slamming down and crack your glass. That is a chance that I take, but if you're worried about it, you could put some cardboard down. So you can see what the OEM looks like. On the driver's side, we're gonna use the 22 OE. So it's 22 inches long, and it should have some adapter clips. Now if we match up these blades, this one is about an inch shorter than the OEM. So maybe go with a 23 if you really care. So it comes with a clip installed on there. And if you look close, that has a number 2 right there. So in this bag, we got 3 other clips. Got number 1 we're definitely not going to use, and a number 6 and a number 4. I believe we're looking for the number 4. Yep, so the number 4 is correct. So keep in mind the orientation that that clip is in. There's an arrow on the top. We want the arrow pointing that direction. In the instructions, it says that it should just pull up, and I don't think that is going to happen. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to pry the wall apart with a screwdriver to kind of pop that off. There we go. Then we can pop on our number 4. That just snaps on. And we can click that guy in. So the 22 is the driver's side, and the 21 is the passenger side. And that's going to go on just the same. And the 21 does appear to be the same length. So now I'm going to start the car again, and they drop down, and job is done.